Question number 41. The customer engagement team at Apex Dynamics want to automate follow-up communications with new leads. You need to create a workflow that automatically sends emails using a mail merge template with the following requirements. It must run immediately. It must validate a condition before running, and it must perform an action once the condition is met. The first question is, run immediately. The correct answer is, configure the workflow to run now. The second question is, validate when a condition is met. The correct answer is, subject contains data. The third question is, perform an action when a condition is met. The correct answer is, send an email. Question number 42. As a developer for Contoso Innovations Sales Operation Team, you are building a new Canvas app and need to apply business rules to it without writing code. Which three actions can you use? Option A, validate data and show error messages. Option B, enable or disable fields. Option C, set field requirement labels. Option D, set field values. Option E, show or hide fields. The correct answers are option A, validate data and show error messages. Option B, enable or disable field. Option E, show or hide fields. Question number 43. The process automation team at Apex Digital is using Power Automate to improve efficiency for various business tasks. You need to recommend the appropriate flow type to accomplish specific automation goals. Which flow type should you recommend? The first question is, perform repetitive actions in an existing application that does not have an API. The correct answer is desktop flow. The second question is, send an email to a contact on their birthday. The correct answer is scheduled flow. Question number 44. You are a functional consultant for the client onboarding team at Evergreen Financial, tasked with creating a solution that will guide new employees through the client intake process and ensure their interactions are broken down into manageable steps. Which actions should you perform? The first question is, guide the user with actions to take. The correct answer is configure business process flows. The second question is, ensure user interaction in manageable steps. The correct answer is configure each stage with the actions that need to be completed. Question number 45. You are a functional consultant for Trade Grove Outfitters. You must build a Power Automate flow to notify the marketing engagement team via email whenever a specific campaign hashtag is posted on Twitter. Which four actions should you perform in sequence to create this solution? On the left side, you have the actions. On the right side, you need to choose the action in the correct order. The correct order is Sign in to Power Automate and create a new blank flow. Select the Twitter connector, generate an authentication key from the service, and use the key for the connection. Create a trigger to search for the new post with the hashtag. Create an action to send an email. Just a quick reminder, if you don't have time to watch these videos and instead download all questions and answers, feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 46. As a Power Platform administrator for Northwind traders, you must hide the flows button across all model-driven apps to comply with the new user interface standard. Which configuration setting should you change? Option A, the sitemap. Option B, the customization section of system settings. Option C, the entry component of the default solution. Option D, the buttons tab of flow. The correct answer is option A, the sitemap. Question number 47. As a consultant for the finance department at Contoso Limited, you have created a UI flow to automate a nightly reporting task. The flow is scheduled to run unattended on a dedicated Windows 10 machine and must sign in using the credentials for a service account named User1. To ensure this process runs successfully without requiring any physical user intervention, what must be done regarding the state of the target machine? Option A, ensure that the User1 account has an active user session on the device. Option B, ensure that all user sessions are signed out. Option C, ensure that there are no active user sessions on the device. Option D, ensure that all user sessions are signed out except for locked user sessions. The correct answer is option D. Ensure that all user sessions are signed out except for locked user sessions. Question number 48. You are configuring a Power Automate flow for the accounts receivable team at Catalyst Dynamics to automatically send escalation emails for any invoice that is 7 days or more overdue. Which expression should you use to check this condition? Option A, Option B, Option C. The correct answer is Option A. Question number 49. Innovate Tech Solutions Client Relation Department need to automate the daily transfer of contact names from a shared Microsoft Excel file into Dataverse. You need to identify which tools are required to create and perform the import. What should you use? The first question is create the import. The correct answer is import wizard. The second question is perform the import. The correct answer is Power Query. Question number 50. The Application Development Department at Tech Connect Innovations is adopting Power Platform solutions and needs to understand Power FX capabilities. As their consultant, What key features of PowerFX should you identify? Option A. It uses imperative and declarative logic. Option B. It is available for purchase through a Microsoft reseller. Option C. It uses an unidentified value for uninitialized variables. Option D. It provides a manual compiler. The correct answer is option A. It uses imperative and declarative logic.